Well, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry for joining quite late. I actually was driving so fast to meet up with this news, but unfortunately, we were not able to trade this news. I regret this so much, really. I so much regret it. We missed a wonderful opportunity, an opportunity that I waited for since morning. The only thing we caught today is that this move from the break, this buy stop. If you remember, if you are actually following me on Telegram, you're going to see I posted this since morning. Do not forget our motto is well, plan, wait, and execute, right? So we planned this trade and we waited until this trade got triggered, and of course, you saw that we hit our stop loss, which is approximately about 65 pips, which is fair enough for one day. But then today is a day, one day, one of a type in a month, right? So I was just on my system when this happened. I was just logging into my system where I saw that this has hit our TP, and then while I was about to type congrats, I saw this rushing down. Sincerely, I didn't catch any of these moves. The only move I know that I set my buy stop was this, and I caught my 65 pips. The rest of this move, I didn't catch nothing. But guess what? I have a surprise for you. When moves like this happens, it means that we're expecting what a pullback, a pullback to the start of the move. I mean, to the start, right? To the start of the wave, right? So we expect a pullback to this start, but then it's not going to come like easily. It's just going to deceive people. Like, it's going to be like, decide to go and then go back again, the move down further. Liquidate some guys and trap some guys and then decide to move again. It's going to play around, then finally it's going to push back again, make another fantastic move back to the start of the move of the wave, right? So since we missed the move already, it makes sense if we can relax and take some rest and then be ready for NYSE open, because this news NYSE stock is still gonna react to this move, right? So let's wait and see if we can be able to catch this move while stock is reacting. Okay, so you have to relax, everyone relax. We're gonna find a way to get good profits again. Okay, hello. So we won't get the move back to start, of the wave today. There is something I don't really know there. I don't really know. I mean, sometimes it does happen and sometimes it doesn't happen for the day. But then be sure that we're gonna catch all this move, which we should have banked in less than 30 seconds. Is gonna happen one more time, which means back to its origin. But then I don't know whether it's gonna happen today or not. But then regardless of what, I'm quite excited that today we've been able to grab about 65 pips based on my signal in the morning. But then this was the move I waited for all day. But then I got so busy that I couldn't leave where I was. And then I was driving like a madman to catch this move. And then I logged into my system and I literally watched it move. My system was still trying to load, whether it's gonna load or not gonna load. And then all the way, boom, this happened. So unfortunately, I regret to announce that we missed this move. But then let's see if we're gonna get the makeup move for this. Okay, so that is it for now. I'm just trying to log into Tradingview to see if I can actually connect on Tradingview as well. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let me see. Okay, let me actually open this again. I'm not sure why I'm not able. Where do you check for news daily? Man, this is very simple. This is one of the basics everyone should know, right? This is Forex Factory. This is it. I mean, Forex Factory. I mean, this is one of the basics everyone should know before anything. I mean, I'm just gonna man, I'm just not relaxed at all. I'm not just relaxed at all, man. I hate the fact that I missed this move, man. I just hate it. This is something, once in a month stuff, and then CPI doesn't really move like this like every time. It moves once in a while this way, okay? So I've dropped Forex Factory for you right there. So go ahead and exploit that, okay? So pissed off right now, guys. So pissed off. God damn it. This is, up to, $70,000 right there. Just missed, just like that, Damn it. I hate this, man, really. It's useless. Someone is asking on the group, Pause is asking, will it go down more down? Come on, guys, you caught something and you are still looking for more down. What is wrong with you guys? Some people actually got this trade, guys. If you actually grabbed something from this trade, please can you share with us? Can we give you our Bitcoin account? Give us something, man. Give us something. Give us something. Okay, okay, okay. There will always be more moves. Relax, brother. At least you didn't lose money. Definitely. Of course, this is actually a nice piece of advice right there. Okay, if you are new to our streaming and you've not joined my Telegram group, please go ahead and join it now. Okay, the link is there. I've pinned the link, so go ahead and join us. Okay. And the seller is saying, "Good morning. I hate that I missed it too. Mad also. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, this is a move that ordinarily we are supposed to grab. Even if I see this happening and I decide to, wait, once it breaks this level, it breaks 11794. I knew already that it was going to, 11462. Just look at this. Is very simple. If you read my analysis, you're going to see I mentioned these points, and these points got hit on the I mentioned this is range 3, right? And the point is 11464, right? Look at it. Look at this. Market moved down to what? 11464. I mentioned it. Clear. It was clear. Clear. And price hit that on the dot, and then it reversed. Look at it, guys. So when you understand the move, when you understand how these guys move, you will never make mistakes. Not really, you never make mistake, but then you trade in a more sensible way. You know what I mean. Okay, somebody is saying that. So this news happened now 1 hour before NYSE open, correct? Does does NAS usually sell for? It depends. It depends. You can't tell. It depends on. Okay, let's look at the outcome of this news. Look at this, right? It's fantastic for US. The two releases are fantastic for US, right? NAS is what NDS USD. So that USD is gonna drag that first pair down. NDX USD, right? So it's dragging USD is good. So it's gonna drag NDS down. Okay, let's take a look at USD card. See what is gonna happen in USD card. The issue is USD is first, and the second pair is card, right? CAD. So it means that USD is gonna drag card all the way up. Let's look at it and see. Unless there's something wrong somewhere. Okay, it should see USD should drag card all the way up. See this? So this is the way news reacts. Okay. So it's pretty obvious. Look at what happened here, because USD is the first symbol here, right? So it just drags the second pair down up. So at the moment, Euro USD is below $1, right? So it simply means that Euro USD is having some sort of parity, right? They're equal, either equal or dollar is bigger than euro. For the first time in 20 years, this is awesome, for dollar to be bigger than euro. Okay, I think it's not achieving that parity yet. It achieved the parity here. Look at it, it's $1. $1 here. Now it went even lower at 0.99, which is USD became lower than euro became lower than dollar for a few seconds in the past 20 years. She's stupid. Okay. Just if you understand how to interpret the news, you know what's gonna happen next. As long as you have the understanding that NAS100 is NDS USD. NAS100 is this. On a literal, interpretation, NDS USD. That is Nasdaq USD. Okay, this is what we are trading. This is the technical, the interpretation, of what we are trading, right? So because the news is good for US, this guy has to go down. This guy has to take the power. Any day the news is bad for US, the Nasdaq has to take the power, right? Nasdaq is gonna get the upper hand. This is insane, man. Okay, in June a similar thing happened and was sold like this. It was CPI news also. And can we look at what happened after the sale? That's fantastic. Pretty nice suggestion. Let's first of all get the date, correct date, and then we can swing into action to see actually what's happened. June, that is June 10. Let's look at June 10 and see what happened actually. So on June 10, June 10 is right over here, right? So June 10, June 10. Where the hell are you, bye? Nice. It's pretty good for June 10, the same 10, right? At 4:30, June 10. Okay, let's take a very nice look at June 10. Okay. Ah, why am I screwing out of that again? For some reasons, perhaps my mind was not understanding what's June 10, 4:30, June 10. Yes, see now, man. Is look at these guys. I mean, this is pretty obvious, right? This is June 10, right? 4:30. Did you see? Did you see what happened, guys? 4:30. It moved so low. Okay, moved so low. Releasing about as at the same thing. It's actually released now. So what we can do, guys. I mean, if you expect to get a move like this again in the next 1 hour, then you are lying. What we could do is to do what? Focus on getting our normal 30 to 100 pips. See, we can be part of this move. See this? We can be part of this second move, right? So there's no guarantee that this exact thing is going to play out. In some cases, we have something after the news, we have it go back to origin, right? So let's not hope to see this replicate. Let's just hope use our normal strategy to trade moving forward. The news is done, so let's forget about the news and focus on using our strategy to actually continue the trading. Okay, let no one be distracted, please. Okay, I read NAS would go down to 100. What do you think? I don't know. 110. That is 110. That's 11k. Going down to 11k. Let's look at the possibility, though. Let's look at the possibility. Going down to 11k. Man, I mean, do you are you trying to tell me, my dear Isela, that NAS is just gonna allow these weak rejections here? It's just gonna allow price just run through it? No. That's a process, man. We don't do magic. I mean, price is not doing some magic. Yes, I understand the fact that this happened this way, but then this doesn't happen all the time. It doesn't happen all the time, right? So do not go with that news. Simply, simply focus on our trading strategy. Let's not go with sentiments. I don't do sentimental trading. I deal with price actions, right? So let's focus on what I do best and forget about sentiments. Okay, if price gets there, we are yet to know. We don't know yet. If it goes there, we will decide. Okay, by the time we see by the time we have some sort of clarity. Okay, but now just leave it alone, guys. Just let's see how this is already 5 o'clock. Let's see how this 30 minutes is going to behave. Based on how 30 minutes is going to behave, besides, let me just fix one or two things, then I'm going to focus and just give me a couple of seconds, guys. I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, let's just have fun. Some people already dropped. They were expecting maybe to join and get some magic. Give me a couple of seconds. I'm gonna be back. I'll be back shortly, please. We are done with our analysis in the morning, so we need to remove everything here because everything we wanted to happen has happened. So we need to go ahead and find other important entries. Looking at what happened here, we can see due to this level, what is it called, smart money level, that is why we have this, right? So if you take a direct measurement, you're going to see this smart money level was actually this weak rejection here was actually influenced by this smart money level. Oh god, let's take a look and see. So you can clearly see it was influenced by this smart money level. If you want to further confirm that, take a look at this and see. Did you see how smart money levels normally usually impact market, right? So this does not mean that price is not going to still go down, but then I'm just showing you guys an example of how it's impacted, right? So that's why you normally see me sometimes. I usually consider this smart money level as a level, right? So it makes sense to consider it. If you see price move all the way up, man, I'm not going to take any trade now. I need to get a confirmation. I'm never going to take a blind trade based on because I see a move and I know that it's going to be corrected. Then I keep on risking. I'm not going to do that, okay? If you're expecting magic, please, you have to lower your expectations right now, okay? Okay. Having said that, let's see how we can, okay. So we have chosen these two levels. So the question now is, where is market going to retrace to? Is it going to retrace to this area and just jump down, or is it going to retrace fully until it comes to the starting point? Nobody knows, right? So let's see what is possible here. If price decides to keep going down, where are we going to get it? Where are we going to recover? Perhaps to fill this week, which is very small, but it's better than nothing, right? It's better than nothing. So instead, let's move it to this to this order block. Yeah, or do okay. I think here makes sense. Here makes more sense, right? Yeah, makes more sense. So if we are able to have this 30 minutes close as as a weak bar, so we can actually utilize take advantage of the move down, that's taking 100 pips, or take advantage of the move until this level taking about 150 pips. Still something, right? Better than nothing, right? So let's hope this happens. I'm not going to take any trade here. If you don't understand, I'm not going to take any trade here. I'm going to wait directly until 5:30. That is what I'm going to take a trade, okay? So everyone, you have to wait and be patient. You have to be very, very patient today. We lost the first move. Let's be patient so that we don't take any trade out of FOMO. We missed it, so let it go, okay? We missed the move. We have to let it go. Forget about that long candle you are seeing because you are never going to make it back. All you need to do now is just to focus, and that's it. Focus. Permit me to please mute myself. Unfortunately, we just witnessed a very important move. So at this point in time, there's no range where I can place buy above or sell below. We just have to wait and trade based on strict price actions after NYSE open. So let's see the plan again. I'm gonna because it's a case of plan, wait and execute, right? So the plan is to hope for wait for the closure of this 30 minutes to see how it closes. So if this 30 minutes closes, So the break of this 30 or the break of its high by the next 30 minutes candle is going to push us to buy, and the break of its low by the next 30 minutes candle is going to push us to sell. Okay, so that is the plan. And when we sell, we close partials at 30 pips as usual. No matter what you how money minded we are today, we need to close our partials at 30 pips and avoid entirety emotions. Okay, close at 30 pips, close partials at 30 pips, and then close full position at our TP levels. Guys, can I get more likes? Let's always at least show some love. Let's like the stream every time we join so that the streams can get recommended to more people. Okay, more audience. Okay, the more you like it, the more it's getting recommended to people. Okay, please show us some love over here. Can I get more likes? I have only 3. Let's make it 13, please. Everyone, if everyone can make out a few seconds to like and subscribe, I think we have a long way to go. Thank you. I hope everyone is hanging on in there. We just have about 14 minutes to determine how today is going to be, okay? Let's just hang on in there. Subscribe and like. Are you kidding me, Simeon Conley? You're just subscribing for the first time since 1 week? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Out of 13 viewers currently online, please, if you have not subscribed, can we subscribe now, please? Let's go ahead and subscribe. And of course, let's get the likes, okay? Come on, guys. Let's go ahead and subscribe, please. I'm just going to repeat in case you are expecting any entry right now because price is about to fly, you will not get any. I mean, if you want to go in, go in. For me, I'm not getting anything, okay? For a very tall candle like this, I expect even if price wants to fly down right now immediately, I expected some steeper wick at least to go 50% of the candle, so at least somewhere here, okay? Then if it reverses, then I know that I have my trade to the downside. But at this point in time, it's too risky for me. I didn't get a steeper wick, so I cannot go on I cannot go ahead to take any position at the moment until I get a steeper wick. If I don't get a steeper wick, then I'm going to wait for N1SE open. If price breaks below, I'm going to take trade to the downside. If price breaks above, I'm going to take a trade to the upside. That's it. That's the plan, okay? This stream must grow, guys. Must grow, guys. Let's increase the subscription, like and share. Exactly. Let's like and share, okay? And Conley says, sorry, I thought I subscribed. I did on the first. It's okay. It's okay. No hard feelings. It's okay. Thanks for subscribing, by the way. I mean, it takes some level of faith in me to subscribe, right? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for even being here with me. Okay. So Conley saying, would we look at lower time frame, be a flag formation and break after such a sharp draw? It's okay, man. I mean, I don't wanna. I see this happening. It's okay. I actually see this happening, but then I don't wanna be a victim of FOMO. Okay. strictly going to take a trade at 5:30 because having this move after establishing this, lengthy move, is better I wait for NYSE open, okay? Because what is actually pushing these comments is actually, fear of missing out. You're not going to miss out on nothing. Just relax, okay? Even if price is running till that kingdom come, it's okay for me. I'm okay staying out of the trade than taking it and shouting, oh no, later, okay? If you feel like you want to take the trade, go ahead and take it. I'm aligned. I mean, it's your money, right? So it's okay. Okay, we just have about 6 minutes to NYSE open. So the question is, how's it gonna be today? The question is, what's gonna happen today? We do not know. We do not know. So we hold on and see, what's going on. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. So let's all hang on in there. 5 more minutes and we're good, right? So let's hang on in there, guys. please do let me know if you're facing any network issue, just in case perhaps you're facing some technical issues, tech issues. Just let me know, okay? So that there's something I'm trying out something. Let me know if I'm gonna actually you know. So some people would have preferred to get in at this point, right? Getting in at this point, I'm making how many pips? 30. Yeah, this is already 30 pips, by the way. It's already very nice profits. But then, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna give in to this pressure, okay? Okay, so now that we have less than a couple of minutes to go, so what now? This is what I expect to pan out, right? So at NYSE Open, if price breaks below this level, I mean, because it's most likely possible that 30 minutes is going to close at this point, right? So if we can secure a closure, I mean, a break of this low, as long as this candle has a lower wick, right? If it has an upper wick, if it has no wick, then I'm gonna completely stay away if price crosses downside, okay? But if it establishes a lower wick just like this, then the break of this low is gonna prompt me to get into a sell. Of course, we take profit around here, okay? I'm not gonna be greedy. I just want to make my share of the profit, right? I missed this entire thing. Of course, everyone knows that already. We missed it, not I. We as a team missed it, so we need to make something, so that we can just be present for the day. And then if it breaks above, we're just going to take a trade until somewhere around here, around 11685, okay, which is actually 115 pips. So let's see actually how the whole plan pans out, okay? So the wait is over. Now is the time for action. What I expect everyone to do is to please go ahead and select the lot size suitable for the account size. Whatever lot size you are selecting, please, whatever amount of money you want to lose you want to risk in this trade, go ahead and divide that money into three. Okay, divide the money into three. Then the next thing you should do is to wait for a signal, because we normally enter three trades. So whatever thing you want to lose, if you use them in one trade, then it's likely that we're going to lose, and then you will be out of the entire moves that happens after that, okay? So it makes sense if you actually divide your money into three, and then you risk only one part of whatever thing you want to lose, okay? Whatever thing you want to risk, not lose. We're not actually losing money here. Okay, so let's see. Do not be in a hurry. This is our time. Do not be in a hurry to take any trade. Just the break of this low, okay? I just wish we could have established something more above before it comes low. Exactly. So this is actually what I'm waiting for, right? I want to see price move up to maybe somewhere here, then drop back. That is a fantastic confirmation, right? But then if it goes ahead to break above here, these are our entry. Do not forget, okay? This is a perfect setup. If it breaks above, we're just gonna wait for the break of this level, right? The break of this level, right? We're gonna wait for a little bit of pullback. It has broken, so we're gonna wait for pullback. Yes, let's wait for pullback. Then after the pullback, now if it breaks the high, if it breaks its high, then we're gonna go buy. If it breaks its high, now it has broken its high, guys. I'm in already. Okay, so if you want to see, this is it. I'm in already. I'm already in. So let's see how this pans out. Do not forget your stop loss is very important. Your stop loss is below at this level, right? So do not forget, it's very, very important. The stop loss is as important as the entry. Very important, please. This is your stop loss. Oh man, that's quite high. I was expecting 30 pips. 60 pips is very high, but then let's go with that. It's okay. There's no harm. So this is our targets. Now my worry is that oh god, the stream is lagging. Oh, can you imagine? Okay, how do I handle this lagging thing now that we are busy? Oh no, man, I can see. God damn it. It's actually laggy. Just use this level as your stop loss. Do not forget, if price breaks below here, it's going to hit our stop loss, and immediately I'm going to open another position, which is what? Sell. If price hits, let me just tag it as usual. I'm sorry that I've not tagged it. Okay, so if price hits our stop loss, then there's only one thing possible, which is what? A sell. Okay, so that is how we actually go ahead to, now if you look at 1 hour, you're going to see that there is possibility that actually this price is going to hit our stop loss, but do not close any position. Streamlabs is too much. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do, for those of us joining from the Tradingview, please switch over to YouTube, PPP Dirhams. Okay, thank you very much. I'm gonna end Tradingview now. Okay guys, it's obvious that this trade is a losing trade already, so let's get out of the trade immediately. I'm already opening in the trade in the opposite direction. Okay, let's get out of this trade. You see what I told you guys initially? Okay, I said you need to do what? To determine how much you want to lose, and then risk double. I mean, divide the money into three, right? So it has actually played out. We've taken the first trade, now we've taken the second one. So I mean, I've been in this game